Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today for what's for dinner, I'm going to be showing you how to make the easiest hard shell tacos. I'm going to be using 1 pound of ground turkey, but of course you could use any type of ground meat you like. I'm going to go ahead and add some olive oil to my pan and then add the ground turkey. So now it's time to season it, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of the chicken flavor bouillon and some salt. I'm also going to add pepper. I'm going to add some paprika. And some garlic powder. Then with just a wooden spoon, I'm going to go ahead and separate the meat. It's gonna release some water, and once it evaporates, it should be done. Once it's done, it should look like this. Now it's time to move on to the lettuce, and I'm gonna go ahead and thinly cut the lettuce. And it should look like this once you finish cutting it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the tomato in squares. So I'm going to be using these tacos that I bought from Aldi's, and just because it's really easy instead of me making my own. And now it's time to assemble. I'm going to start off with the beef, then the lettuce, tomato, and cheese. And this should end up looking like this. They are very simple, very easy, and very delicious. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you guys enjoy these what's for dinner videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.